Welcome to the future of kitchen design. Whether you're renovating your home or building a new one, your kitchen should be both stylish and highly functional. In this video, I'll explore the latest trends in modular kitchens for 2025. Get ready to transform your cooking space into a smart, space-efficient, and eco-friendly paradise. Modern homes are all about maximizing space. In 2025, modular kitchens are designed with efficiency in mind. Island counters serve as both cooking and dining areas, foldable furniture adds versatility, and tall storage units help declutter countertops. Whether you've got a compact kitchen or a spacious one, these smart layouts make sure every inch is put to good use. Color plays a crucial role in setting the mood of your kitchen. In 2025, soft pastel shades like mint green and powder blue create a calming atmosphere, while bold contrasts like black and gold add a touch of luxury. For those who love a natural feel, wooden textures combined with matte finishes bring warmth and sophistication to the space. Technology is revolutionizing the way we use our kitchens. Imagine controlling your kitchen lights and appliances with just your voice. Touchless faucets, sensor-based lighting, and AI-integrated appliances make cooking easier than ever. Plus, wireless charging stations and built-in voice assistants keep your kitchen connected and hassle-free. Sustainability is a key focus in 2025. Modular kitchens now feature eco-friendly materials like recycled wood and bamboo. Energy-efficient LED lighting and water-saving kitchen taps reduce your carbon footprint while maintaining style and efficiency. Choosing sustainable designs is a step towards a greener future. For those who love a touch of luxury, premium finishes elevate your kitchen aesthetics. Quartz or marble countertops exude elegance, while glass shutters with aluminum frames offer a sleek and modern look. Modular racks and organizers keep everything in place, ensuring a clutter-free environment. Kitchen islands are evolving beyond just a countertop space. In 2025, they integrate storage, cooktops, and dining areas all in one. Some even include hidden charging ports and USB outlets for added convenience. Whether you want a social cooking experience or extra prep space, multifunctional islands are a game changer. That wraps up our look at the top modular kitchen trends for 2025. Which design element is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home design inspiration. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.